What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play against friends online in MLB The Show 26. It can be a little confusing at first because the option isn't very obvious. So if you just want to play a normal 1v1 online exhibition match and not Diamond Dynasty, here's what you need to do. From the main menu, go to the top left corner and select your profile icon. After that, move over to the friends section and open your friends list. Now choose the friend you want to play with. Select their name and then click on invite to exhibition game. Once you do that, you will be taken to the match setup screen where you can adjust all your settings like innings, difficulty and other gameplay options. After setting everything up, choose your ballpark. You might see a few extra settings before sending the invite, so just confirm everything. Then send the invite and your friend will be able to join, pick their team and you're good to go. If you run into any connection issues, that's normal early on since the game just launched, but it usually fixes itself quickly. And that's how you play against friends online in a simple 1v1 match. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.